Hi, my name is Rena MacPhee and I'm with Arrow Realty. Today I have Bruce Monsanti with me with Spark Mortgage, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about renovation loans and the opportunities that they open up for first-time home buyers. And here he is.
Hi everybody, I'm Bruce from Spark Mortgage Advisors right here in Lake County. We're here to talk to you today about rehab loans, rehabilitation loans, which means that a program that you can finance in the cost of repairs. Those repairs will include new flooring, kitchens, counters, appliances, bathrooms, tubs, showers, vanities, tile, the whole 9 yards. Roofs, new air conditioning units, plumbing, electric, the whole thing, right? So we're going to keep it simple today. The bottom line is we're talking about today an FHA203K. It's a rehabilitation loan. It's a program that gives you the opportunity to finance in up to 10% of the after repaired value into the loan for rehabilitation. Hypothetically, you buy a house for $275 that's worth $300,000 after the repairs. That gives us $330,000. So now you have the difference between $275,000 and $330,000 to do your repairs. This is an opportunity for you to take a house that maybe need a little work that you don't have the cash to do. The sellers don't want to do it. So we have a program where you can finance in the cost of the repairs yourself.
Now, Bruce, what is required for a down payment for this loan?
On an FHA loan, you're only looking at 3.5% down, and the seller can pay up to 6% of the closing costs. So there's a lot of opportunities there. We can use down payment assistance along with that. So 3.5%, we do have some down payment assistance options where that could pay for the 3.5%, and then all you have would be the closing costs. And if the seller helps us, contributes, then it's even less for you.
Is this for cosmetic repairs or major repairs?
Well, we can do both. But the first repairs that need to be done are what they call minimum property standards. So in the state of Florida, believe it or not, you don't have to have air conditioning, but you do have to have heat. So as long as you have heat, right, plumbing, electric, and a good roof, we're all good from there. Those are the first things that have to be done to bring the property up to what they call minimum property. Anything after that is considered stuff that you can do.
And now my last question, can you choose your own contractor?
You absolutely can choose your own contractor. Although the contractors have to be licensed and insured, they have to be able to start the work within 30 days of closing, and then they'll be paid by the bank.
All right, well, thank you, Bruce. I appreciate all your information. If anyone has any additional questions, go ahead and comment them below and we'll get back to you, or send me an email back, and we'll get back to you and answer those questions you might have. If you want to get into touch with Bruce, I'll also have his information in the post.
If you need any information, you want to get pre-qualified for a program like this, or any other program for that matter, feel free to give us a call anytime. Again, my name is Bruce Monsanti. I'm with Spark Mortgage Advisors, and you can reach me at 321-460-6251. Thank you so much.